Imagine you are walking through a busy city centre. The weather is warm and the streets are crowded with people. Suddenly, a wonderful smell hits you. It is the scent of smoke, exotic spices, and bread fresh from the oven. This is the heart of the city. This is the world of street food. It is vibrant and it is so mouth-watering. Every country has a famous flavor that people love. In Mexico, locals and tourists wait in line for spicy tacos topped with fresh lime. In Vietnam, a steaming bowl of pho is the perfect choice for a rainy afternoon. If you are in New York, you can grab a salty pretzel while you walk to work. In India, the street markets are bright and full of colourful, crunchy snacks. People love street food because it is fast, simple, and honest. You don't need to make a reservation or wait a long time for a table. You don't need to wear a suit or a tie either. You simply stand on the sidewalk and enjoy a meal with your friends. It is usually cheap, always fresh, and incredibly delicious. They say that food is a universal language. You don't need many words to enjoy a great meal with someone else. Whether we use a fork, a spoon, or just our hands, street food brings different cultures together in one place. It makes the world feel smaller, like one big family. What is the best street food in your city? What is your favorite dish? Tell me in the comments.